Strong legs are essential for staying mobile, preventing falls, and handling everyday tasks. For individuals over 50, squats play a key role in preserving functional strength. As we grow older, we naturally lose muscle, which often causes weakness and balance issues. Squatting regularly helps slow this decline by working the large and powerful muscles in your legs. Muscle loss with age reduces strength and movement, but squats counteract this by engaging your lower body. Strong legs support walking, climbing stairs, and keeping balance. Squats also help with bone health, reducing the chances of osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and increases the risk of fractures. Squats don't just strengthen your legs, they also boost your heart health. Because multiple muscles are engaged during the movement, your heart rate rises and blood flow improves. This contributes to better cardiovascular fitness, which becomes even more important with age. Form matters. Start with feet shoulder width apart and toes angled slightly out. Keep your chest lifted and core braced. Lower yourself by pushing your hips back, as if sitting in a chair, and ensure your knees don't go beyond your toes. Aim to reach at least a 90-degree bend in the knees, or go as low as is comfortable. For those over 50, making squats a regular habit is one of the best ways to stay physically capable. Strong legs support posture, keep you moving, and make daily tasks simpler. Additionally, squats rev up your metabolism, aiding weight control, an important part of aging well. To stay active and strong, include squats in your workout plan. Whether you're exercising at home or in a gym, this powerful move will support your body for years to come. Push-ups. Push-ups are a simple yet powerful way to strengthen the upper body. They mainly work the chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also involving the core, back, and even legs when performed with proper form. For anyone over 50, push-ups are an effective no-equipment way to keep upper body muscles strong and functional. Maintaining upper body strength as we age is just as crucial as keeping the legs strong. Everyday actions like lifting bags, opening doors, or household chores all rely on your arms, shoulders, and chest. Push-ups maintain and build that strength, while also improving joint support to prevent injury and help you move with confidence. For people over 50, push-ups bring several benefits. One major advantage is preserving muscle mass, which often declines with age in a condition called sarcopenia. This loss can lead to weakness and a greater risk of falls. Push-ups help slow that process by keeping your muscles active and strong. They also build core strength. To maintain correct form during push-ups, your core must stay tight. Over time, this improves your balance and body control, both important for healthy aging. Additionally, regular push-ups help posture by strengthening the upper back and shoulders. If standard push-ups feel too hard, begin with easier versions on your knees or against a wall. Focus on proper technique instead of how many you can do. As you gain strength, progress to full push-ups or increase intensity with variations, like incline or clap push-ups. For those over 50, push-ups offer a total body workout that doesn't need a gym or fancy gear. They strengthen the upper body, support better posture, and enhance core stability. This makes them a great addition to daily routines, with the bonus of helping cardiovascular health and muscle tone. Just a few push-ups daily can help maintain strength, independence, and self-confidence well into the future. Don't underestimate the value of push-ups. Adding them to your routine is a smart step toward staying strong and well for life. Deadlifts. Deadlifts are regarded as one of the best movements for total body strength. They involve several muscle groups, including the lower back, glutes, hamstrings, quads, and core. For adults over 50, deadlifts are especially useful for keeping the posterior chain, the muscles along your back, strong and functional. These muscles are essential for balance, posture, and basic movements. As we get older, keeping the back and leg muscles strong becomes vital for staying injury-free and maintaining independence. Deadlifts target these areas and help slow the muscle loss that naturally happens with age. They also strengthen the core, which is key for posture and avoiding falls. Beyond building strength, deadlifts support functional fitness, your ability to perform real-world tasks more easily. Since deadlifts mimic motions like lifting groceries or bending to pick things up, they help make these actions safer and more manageable, reducing the risk of injury. Deadlifts also benefit your posture. Many people develop hunched backs or rounded shoulders over time due to weak back muscles. Deadlifting regularly helps strengthen these areas, encouraging a straighter spine and reducing discomfort. Proper technique is critical, especially for those over 50. Stand with feet hip-width apart, keeping weights just in front of your shins. Slightly bend your knees, hinge at the hips, and keep your chest lifted and spine flat. Grip the bar or weights outside your knees. As you lift, push through your heels, extend your hips forward, and avoid rounding your lower back. To lower the weight, push your hips back first, then bend your knees, all while maintaining posture. If you're unfamiliar with deadlifts or worried about your form, begin with lighter weights or even practice the movement without any weight. Learning the right mechanics matters more than lifting heavy at the start. Deadlifts are one of the most practical exercises for aging bodies. They build total body strength that translates into better balance, upright posture, and improved ability to move through life. They also help with bone strength, which is important in lowering the risk of osteoporosis. When done consistently, deadlifts will help you stay strong, reduce injury risks, and support a more energetic, independent lifestyle as you get older. Adding them to your workout routine strengthens your body and keeps you capable long-term. Whether lifting luggage or playing with grandkids, deadlifts prepare your body for whatever life brings. Ready to get stronger? Click subscribe to keep up with our latest fitness tips. Which of these exercises do you find toughest? Tell us in the comments, and don't miss our next video. Can't squat. These 2 exercises will fix it fast. Muscle groups, including the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and your core. Regardless of age,